Hi, boys and girls. This week, math is going to be all about place value, as you can see from the poster up here on the board. Last year, you did some with place value, I know, but you may not have gone up as high as we're going to go. You went to probably the thousands last year place. This year, we're going to go all the way up to the millions place value. So we're adding a few more places. So we're not going to focus on the decimal point today. We're going to focus on numbers up into the 100,000s this week. So if you look, I have the number 297,485. Notice I didn't say and anywhere in there, and that I have my comma placed in the correct spot. A comma always goes in between before the thousands place to show the separates between the thousands and the ones. Okay? All right, so I have in 297,485, I have the 4 underlined. So let's look at what its place is first, because there is a difference between the place of that number and the value of that number. So if I look up here on my poster and I count over that ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, the place of the 4 is placed in the hundreds place. So I would write hundreds. And now we're ready to look at its value, okay? So I know I'm going to have to say the word 100 in there, but how many hundreds do we have? What is the number? 4. So the value of this is 400. Would you like to look at one more number? Let's look at one more. I think you girls and boys are going to be able to do this just fine. So now let's look at the number 380,291. And this has a 0 in it, so let's underline that 0. And not make it so tricky. So its place, the 0 is in the what's place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands place. Let's make sure. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, right before that comma. So it's the 0 is in the thousands place. But what would its value be? How many thousands are there? There's not any. It's a 0. So the value of that number is 0. I know you're going to do just great this week with place value. If you need any help, send me an email on Class Dojo or directly to my email, or a question on Google Classroom. I look forward to working with you all this week. Bye. Love you.